Hi everybody. Today I'm going to explain how you can speak directly from the editor on Moodle. It's really easy. When you want to do that, just go click on Add a new discussion topic, and here you are. These exclamation marks are places where you have to put information, otherwise it will not move forward for you, so it won't record it. So we'll type the subject, how to speak straight from the editor. Okay. And this is the panel where that gives you lots of choices. I'm not going to talk about all of them right now because right now we're just talking about how to speak. There are two microphones that you see on here. One is here and one is here. Um, this is the more advanced version, but if you only want to speak up to 2 minutes, you can click on this microphone and just start recording yourself. I'll show you how you do that. You just click start recording, and now it's recording, and you can see it counts down, so you have 2 minutes to speak. When you're finished, you just click stop recording and then attach recording, and you wait until it says 100% completed. Um, as you could see on that last step, if you need to redo it, you can do that too. And then that's all you really have to do. And now your recording is on here, and everyone else can listen to it when they just click on this play button. Let's try it. Okay, and that was me. Okay, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, please post something on the forum. Thanks. Bye.